Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the Minecraft launcher, open it and pick the profile you use. Once done, click the three dots or use the gear to see installation details, then open the game folder directly. If you prefer shortcuts, press Windows plus R and paste %appdata%. Minecraft, or on Mac OS use Finder, hold Option and select library/application support/Minecraft. On Linux check ~. Minecraft. This gets you to the root where assets and versions live, so you can access tech. You now navigate into versions or resource packs. First, check the versions folder for the exact version you run. Once inside, open the version jar with a zip tool. Inside, you'll find assets Minecraft textures. If you use a resource pack, open its zip or folder instead, because that overrides base textures. Make sure to copy files out before editing, because jars are read-only in the launcher. This way you can inspect PNG files and understand which texture maps to what block or item. You're ready to export and modify textures. Copy the PNGs into a separate working folder and keep the original files as backups. Edit with an image editor that preserves transparency, then repack into the same folder structure or a resource pack zip. Make sure pack McMeta and version numbers match the game, otherwise Minecraft will ignore the pack. If textures don't appear, check resource pack order, verify file paths, and confirm you edited the correct version's assets. Those fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.